In this video, you'll learn how to retain responsiveness across all devices using the GemPages V7 new editor. First, please keep in mind that any adjustments made on larger devices, like desktop, will also apply to smaller devices, like tablet or mobile, but not the other way around. Let's start with the benefits section as an example. It may look great on desktop, but on mobile, it can take up too much space and push important elements like the cart button further down. In this case, it's better to hide it on mobile. To do that, just click on the row element, go to the Advanced tab in the toolbar, and toggle off the mobile option. Next, let's take a look at the product element. There are two layout options, horizontal and vertical. As you can see, the vertical layout looks great on mobile, while the horizontal one is best suited for desktop. On mobile, the horizontal layout can break the flow, so switch to vertical for better readability. Moving on to the product breakdown section. By default, rows with 2 columns on desktop will automatically stack into a single column on mobile to avoid clutter. However, you can still adjust the layout manually to suit your needs. Now, let's talk about typography. Any changes made on the desktop version, including font sizes, will carry over to mobile. You may want to reduce the font size slightly on mobile for better readability. This applies to everything from headlines and descriptions to button text and pricing. Finally, let's talk about spacing. A cluttered mobile layout can overwhelm users and lead to cart abandonment. By adjusting spacing for mobile, you give the design more breathing room, making the section feel more professional and easy to navigate. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss future videos. Thanks for watching.